Happy New Year, traders. We have booking here today on our screen. We're looking on daily time frame right here. And while the rest of the market has recovered from October to December route, booking has not. So yesterday it tested here the 20-day moving average at 1737 and high of 1755, as you can see here. But then it was downgraded by Goldman Sachs, so that's why it sell off. And right now in pre-market, the bid is 1636, ask is 1649, so it is gapping down at about minus 2.25%. So now we're gonna try to figure how we're gonna trade booking for options for the week. And right here on the 750, it isn't obvious. There's no support after losing it because this is a 20-day moving average rejection, which is powerful, and it keeps trending on lower highs as well. If you're going to use the pivot, 1945, 1880, and then now 1750. And with this kind of setup, it is more viable to retest the 52 weeks low, which is the 1600 area. So currently we are down 2.25 in pre-market, an additional loss from the 1.45 yesterday. So we'll see how it goes, but the technical signal is definitely sell signal to 1606. And today it has received a downgrade from Morgan Stanley too, which could be a huge back-to-back bad news for booking. So yesterday it was downgraded by Goldman Sachs, today Morgan Stanley, and it was downgraded with a Jefferies from buy to hold, and that is just awful for the stock. So for this to recover, it needs to get back to 1700. Otherwise, below 1700, the support is at 1600. Happy New Year again, and please subscribe on my channel. Thanks.